Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to change Snapchat notification sound on Samsung. So in order to change Snapchat notification sound on Samsung, you need to follow these steps. So basically what you want to do is here, you want to go ahead and make sure to open up your settings first thing. So when you go to settings, this is how the interface will look like. So here you want to then go ahead and scroll down, look for app section. So here you have the app section. You want to click that out. Next you want to click on see all apps. Then you want to locate Snapchat. So here you have Snapchat. Now then you want to go to the notification section, and then you have these notifications, but then you could customize it by going to the sound section or toggling the button for it, and that is how you'll be able to make changes with your Snapchat notification sound on Samsung. So this is how it's done. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.